What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button. Right now I'm on my way to CNC Motors in Upland, California. They got a bunch of crazy exotic supercars, hypercars, everything you can name it. Beamers, Benzes, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Koenigsegg's, and I don't know, a bunch of crazy shit. Cars that are freaking $1 million cars. My friend EJ's there with the Nardo Gray F90 M5, the one I put in the vlog recently. You guys seen the car. He had to stop by for some stuff and he's like, come through, let's vlog, let's see what they got. Look who decides to join us. Christmas boy, Wrapped. What's up? Oh my, bro. You're insane, dude. All right, guys, we just arrived here at CNC Motors. We're about to check out what they got. What's going on, bro? What up, my G?
You see the Porsche's left?
Yes.
Next to my M5 parking
Next
right there.
Got it. Woo, I'm so excited to see what they got here. What's going on? Let's check it out.
This still has the Christmas tree.
I told this was funny, bro. I can't believe this has it. Gallardo. Ooh, I haven't seen one of these in a while. Fisker Karma.
What are we here for? Well, I mean,
Oh, look, the new G-Wagon. Look, this is a new G-Class.
And I had to do all the RS7.
Dang.
All the gray RS7 in the back. Oh, my.
E90 M3 for sale.
Oh, they removed my stickers. My Instagram stickers.
Yeah, they don't. Damn, bro, that's crazy.
I know, right?
Wow. That's insane, dude. Bro, you should have, damn. You should have gave me the exhaust or something. Oh my God, bro. Look at this Bugatti. Holy shit. Dude. What the hell, man? Wow. Holy shit. Let's just look inside real quick, guys. Damn. That's wild. Wow.
Sold this 918. This one. $1 million car. It's on. No way.
Are you serious? It's on?
Yeah, it's half in the half thing. Right?
Nope.
No
What?
way, bro.
Yeah, it's electric.
I'm expecting this shit to make
Me too. I thought it was gonna be loud.
Edit that shit.
Put some Lambo sound. That's crazy. What do you guys think about this red GT3 right here? This is pretty nice. This is a nice one. This one right here? This red one? This is a nice one right here. This is sick. I think Nick's gonna walk out with a GTR today. Get one of these. He's gotta get one of these. What the? Look at this. This is a Demon, right?
Yeah,
What the? Look, they got a full roll cage in there. Holy.
That's just not human in the back.
APR wing. Holy crap.
This one is stuck. They both human. This one is stuck.
Bro, I don't even know where to look. There's so many crazy cars, classics. Like, this dealership is insane. Look at this, guys. That's wild. What do you think, bro? You ready to get your GTR today? Because if you do, I'm walking out with something else, yeah. So this is a 2014 GT3. He's got about 8,000 miles.
miles on it.
Sick.
Wow. It's
Bro, it's brand new.
Full straight pipe.
85.
Sick ass Kevin.
This is a nice one, huh?
You can see yourself driving it?
Yeah.
You better keep it red though. Red's the move right here.
Orange.
Nah, Kevin, if you wrapped it orange, I'll be so mad.
I'll show you if you don't know how.
It's on the keys on the left. Yo, Kev. Oh yeah, turn it on, turn it on. Oh, there you go. The valve was off.
it's exactly like a BMW. We're in the Toyota Supra right now. Bam. It's nice though, red interior. What do you guys think? Guys, if you notice, all the accents are gold on this car. It's insane. Cold start, here we go.
Let's see if it's cold start. Oh, there's more. Excellent.
Damn, bro, this is
Oh, it's full carbon with the bigger screen. Holy shit.
Look at that, guys.
Hey Nick, you wanted a GTR, there you go. Exactly.
Oh my god. Holy shit, bro.
The car shakes.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so we just left CNC Motors. About to get some lunch at In-N-Out. Damn, hydraulics? Yeah, so hey, what'd you think about the GT3, honestly?
I'm mad, bro.
Why?
My car sold.
They sold your GTR that you wanted? Guys, Nick wanted a GTR, but
Bro, it was perfect. I'm not even kidding. Like everything, the miles, the price, the color.
it was what you, hey, watch out for my door, fool.
It was close to my house.
I'm sure they'll get another one. Good. What did Nick get? A kid's meal? What did my G get?
Keep it moving.
Nice. So right now we're about to take some photos. I might put my car on this railroad track. Damn! This is the best present ever.
I should have never done it, bro. There's tape that's gonna be on your forever.
Oh shit!
Look at this tape.
Look, it's stuck on the thing. Should we do the front bumper? I'm gonna take it off. My car is legit on the railroad track. If a train passes by here, bro, I'm gonna freak the fuck out. I gotta hop in this shit and dip. No insurance money. No. I'm gonna bust a cap in this view. Are you gonna sub these wheels too?
Yes.
Let me see, let me try.
No.
Okay, look. All right, it's loaded.
I'm gonna learn how to drift on, too.
The what?
I'm gonna learn how to drift on.
All right, this one's loaded. I loaded all of them. It's to the top. Okay, ready?
No,
Just-
it really hurts. Go from far away.
Okay, from where? Right here?
All the way across the street.
What if I don't even make it to you?
Yeah, but if you shoot me, I shoot you.
You already shot me.
Yeah, but you have a hoodie.
So?
I have just a shirt on. Bro, stop. Don't hit my neck, my head.
Okay, I'm gonna do it twice.
No,
I'm just kidding.
what the fuck?
I'll give you $100.
Take this to your mom.
I'll give you $100 if you let me shoot you in the stomach. In the stomach.
No.
From right here.
That shit hurts.
Okay, ready? 3,
Stop,
2.
Stop! That shit fucking hurts.
Okay, from the foot. Here. I don't even think I'll make it to you.
Stop it.
What the? I gotta reload. Let's see what Nick got in his fridge. Oh shit. Dude, you scared the dogs. And you scared me. Damn, tamales. A water. Honest kids.
You would never take him?
Should I put your dogs in my car?
Yes. Oh, let's do it.
Yeah, right. I got an apple juice.
No, the apple juice is gross, to be honest.
Is it really?
Try
And
it.
a water. Oh my gosh, dude, look at that bone.
Lemur.
Dude.
It's the size of your leg, bro.
He's got look at how they're just chilling in the back. That's crazy.
Bro, he loves his leg.
Oh my dude, I swear this dog is bigger than you. Bro, what are you doing? So I'm letting Nick drive to 412 because that's where we're going right now.
G, I got this, G.
I really hope you do. Take it. Hey! Damn! What? Take it easy, man. What the?
Damn, G.
Is it different from your car? Like I know they're the same, but
It feels faster on my life.
there goes the rod bearing. Made it back in one piece. Shout out to Nick for driving. Feels good to not drive.
You want to drive this one?
We are here at the 412. Hit up Nick if you're trying to cop an E36 M3. He's selling it. It's just so clean. Hit him up. Damn, look how freaking gloss the paint is. Looks so sick. Dude, what the? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.